Hey guys, today let's learn how to use Character.ai. So if you guys would like to go ahead and use Character.ai in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and of course, download the Character.ai application on our devices. Now have already done that, and what we need to do next is to go ahead and proceed. Of course, if tapping on the plus icon to create our own character, we can actually go and tap on explore and view other characters that have been created by other users as well on the application and talk to them as well. Basically what you need to know is Character.ai is a specific application that you could use to create your own language models. It is basically an artificial intelligence chatbot that uses, of course, neutral language models to generate text responses and allow for user-developed characters. So you can actually develop your own characters on here, depending on your descriptions, the type of history that you enter on the specific character and how you describe them to act and respond as well to the user that is trying to talk to that character. So, as you see, we do have specific characters that we have also used over here, and we can actually go and talk to them if we want to, and basically show up and basically use them as intended. Of course, Character.ai also has the option for us to create our own characters. You can actually tap on create over here. We can actually proceed with naming our character, choosing a photo, or uploading a photo for our preferred character, and also having a complete greeting that it could be used on the application by this character, so we can actually know. Go ahead and type in anything we want. Tap on next. Change the visibility as well, and that's how we could actually go ahead and use the Character.ai application. So you can actually go and proceed with also using the image generation to enable an image generation for this character, but I won't really do that as of now. And from here, we can now proceed with typing a message and actually describing and also building up our specific character over here and making him or her do what is intended or what we intend them to do and how they act as well. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as all if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.